What's up, everyone? Today we are going to show you how to take SoundCloud music and put it right on iMovie. Now, this is a good trick. You go to SoundCloud. Remember to go to SoundCloud. And what you do is go to any song you're playing. Like this song, I'm playing this song. So what you want to do with this song is repost it. Repost it on SoundCloud. Click that. Go back here, and then go to your profile, and then go down, and then you'll probably see it right here. And then what you do is click those three dots, and then click share, and then you should get something up here. And what you want to do is copy. Now once you did that, you want to download an app called Documents 5. Now it's in the App Store. All you have to do is just find it. So wait, and then you have this one it's called Documents by Riaddle. Now just download it, and now that you're in it, alright, what you do is just click that little search bar down here, and you're here. Go to save from, and then you'll have like a little search bar, and then just search up savefrom.net. Alright, I'm here. Now enter the URL. What you want to do is paste the thing you copied, and download MP3. This is completely safe. Now you can save it as something like now you wanna go to the folder. Now you wanna go to downloads, and you'll see or whatever you call it right down here. And what you do with this is you just go to edit. Go here. And now what you do with this, done. Click those three dots on and now you'll see a little thing, and click on this share button, and it'll have a bunch of these. Now you can copy it to any editing software ever, like KineMaster over here, iMovie, KineMaster or iMovie, but let's just do iMovie. Copy to iMovie, sending. Now what you're gonna see here is you can copy it to any of the existing projects, but we're gonna create a new movie. And look, what the song, whatever you called it, is gonna be right in here and here. Yeah, that's the song, and the song, and you could just add any video over it or anything, any audio over it. You could add anything over it and stuff. So thank you for watching this tutorial.